Hey y'all, I'm back again with another speed cleaning video. So last week I shared with you guys my 4 tips to speed cleaning and I used them to get my downstairs clean. Well, this week it's all about the bathrooms. I have the master suite bathroom and the guest bathroom that desperately need attention. So in today's video, we are prepping our cleaning caddy, getting our game plan together, and getting these filthy bathrooms clean. So if you're like me and have limited time or energy, speed cleaning is definitely the way to go. And this video is for you. So if you're ready, let's jump straight into it. For those of you new here, hey and welcome. I'm Rhonda and I'm a stay-at-home mom to 2 beautiful girls and another little one on the way. Plus, I have a virtual assistant business. So I am super busy, y'all. And lately, speed cleaning has been my go-to to keeping up with all the housework. Now, last week, I posted a video on how to speed clean. And in it, I shared my top 4 tips, as well as a checklist that you can use for any room in your home. I'll link that video right here, but I'll also put it in the description box below so you can go ahead and check that out if you want to understand a little bit more detail. But for this video, we're going to take those tips and we're going to speed clean the bathrooms. Now, since we're talking about the bathrooms, our checklist and the supplies we're going to need are a little bit different than when we did the kitchen, the living room, and the dining room. So we're going to start there first. In my cleaning cutting, I still have my sponges and claws, but now I also have a magic eraser and a non-scratch pad. I also have a power scrubber that I got from Walmart, and it comes with 2 interchangeable heads, a cleaning brush, and a towel/grout brush. I have this refillable dish scrubber that I like to use for my shower wall, and I fill it with 2 parts dish soap and 1 part vinegar, and that's really going to help cut through all the hard water spots because in my master bathroom I have a glass shower door. So if you have one too, this is really going to help, and you're going to see why later in this video. But you're going to have those 2 parts dish soap and 1 part vinegar, and you're going to do a good mixing of that inside of that dish scrubber. For my cleaners, I still have my Windex Lysol wipes all-purpose cleaner, but sometimes you have to go with the heavy-duty Dawn Power Wash. So I do have a good amount of buildup to clean up this go round, so I will be whipping that out and using that. For my tools, I have my broom and dustpan, the mop, or if you have a swipper or you want to use that, you can go ahead and get that, and a scrubber with a long handle. I got this one from Walmart as well. I used to have a power scrubber, but that thing gave me like a good 2-3 months and it wouldn't charge anymore. So if you have one that you use and you highly recommend, go ahead and leave that in a comment below because I am in the market for a good power scrubber. So the checklist for speed cleaning any room in the house. You're going to 1, clear and clean the surfaces. And because we're talking about a bathroom this time, we're talking about the toilets, showers or tubs, sinks, and of course the countertops. 2, you're going to put away any miscellaneous items. 3, you're going to clean the floor. 4, you're going to take out the trash. And now that we've got all the logistics and all that stuff out of the way, let's get into this guest bathroom. I have my cleaning caddy and I'm starting off by clearing off the sink area. Now, don't mind me. I got a bit of butterfinger, so I keep dropping things. Just don't worry about me, y'all. But eventually, I'm going to clear the sink and going to work from top to bottom, starting with spraying Windex on the mirrors. And I like for my product to soak and really do their thing so it's easier for me to wipe up. So after I spray the Windex on the mirror, I'm going to go over here to the toilet and I'm actually going to put cleaner in there because I need that to marinate and do its thing and work its magic. And now I'm back to the mirror and I'm using that squeegee to clean it up and working my way down towards the sink because that's the next thing I'm going to clean. Y'all, my little quality assurance inspector came by just to see how I was doing cleaning the bathroom, and it was just so cute. So I had to unmute so y'all can hear this part. Wow. After the sink area is clean, I'm going to go ahead and move to the toilet. But I needed to move the trash can and the mat that sits in front of the toilet out of the way because we are really going to clean this toilet. And I mean, every inch you see needs to be scrubbed top to bottom. And if y'all notice, you see me stepping to the side to pick up stuff like the all-purpose cleaner here. I like to have my cleaning caddy really close to me so I'm not wasting any time and energy going back and forth to find what I need, okay? Here, I'm even wiping with one hand and spraying with the product with the other hand because again, gotta save time and energy, y'all. This is speed cleaning. So if you don't have a cleaning caddy, it's time to get one. Now let's keep working our way down. Cleaning the toilet cover, then the bowl, and then the bottom of the toilet. Yes, the bottom of the toilet. So much lint and fluids. Fluids get down there and it can easily be forgotten. So let's take a few minutes and reach back there and around the whole edge of the bottom of the toilet and get it nice and clean. Once the toilet area is done, I'm going to move along to this towel bar and then the tub. When I clean my bathroom, I find it's a good opportunity to replace all the towels and any washcloths. So let's pull these down, put them in a hamper, and then move on to the tub. Now this tub is mainly used by the girls, but if we do have guests, this is the bathroom they use. So I'm clearing the shelves, I'm spraying it down with the Dawn Power Wash, and then I'm gonna get to scrubbing. But y'all, don't laugh. I got really tired of bending down and just picking up things and cleaning things that are too low. So I'm trying out some cheap knee pads and I think I like them so far, but I don't know. What do you guys think? Is this something that you would try? Here, my quality assurance inspector again. She came by for another inspection of my cleaning, but isn't she so cute? After giving the tub a nice thorough scrub and rinse, it's time to move to the floors. Let's sweep and mop them. After everything is dried, time to put things back. Put a new bag in the trash can, put up fresh clean towels, and I also use this time to restock stuff like my toilet paper, paper towels, or even replace my plug-in. And voila, a nice clean bathroom, toddler approved. Now I'm gonna throw this carpet that was sitting in front of the toilet, I'm gonna put this in the wash machine, and then I'm gonna head to the next bathroom, which is the master suite bathroom. And this thing is dirty, y'all, okay? The turning tables need to be clean, the mirror is dirty, my sink area needs attention, and y'all, I'm gonna be 100% honest with you. I did not clean the shower during my first trimester of this pregnancy, so this thing is, yeah, it needs some serious TLC because I just couldn't do it. I was just so sick and I just did the bare minimum. And the shower was not part of that, okay? But it's all right. We're going to take care of it today. But first, let me go ahead and get ready because, child, this baby belly. I had to put on my little pregnancy belt to give me a little extra support. I know I have my work cut out for me, but we're going to get through this, y'all. We're going to get through this together. And we're going to start off by clearing off the sink. The sink is clear. Grabbing this Windex and spraying the mirrors just like I did with the other bathroom. And just like the other bathroom, I'm going to go ahead and lather up that toilet so the cleaning product can work its magic. Now, as you notice, I did leave those little Lazy Susan turntables. I left those on the sink, and that's because they need to be cleaned, okay? They get a lot of stuff dropped on them, so I'm going to make sure I do that, and then I'm going to go ahead and clean the mirror with the squeegee. Working my way down, let's get this sink cleaned. Now, hubby just treated these sinks with some Drano because they were getting a little clogged. So we really need to give them some good scrubbing attention. I'm whipping out that power scrubber for this and also my non-scratch pad because I really want this sink to sparkle. The sink is nice and good to go. And before I head over to the toilet area, I'm actually going to spend a moment and spray my shower because it really needs it. The bottom of this shower, it has this pink mildew, but also like black mildew on it that's been there for God knows how long. And I thought that it was maybe the caulking, grout, sealant, silicone. I don't even know what you call it. I thought if I kept scrubbing that it would go away, but it didn't. So yeah, for now, we're gonna let the cleaner do its job while we clean the toilet area. But y'all gonna see. I'm gonna show y'all up close. So this is your fair warning, okay? I'm gonna show you up close what I'm dealing with. But in the meantime, okay, we're tackling this toilet just like we did the other one. We're gonna scrub this thing top to bottom, and we're hitting everything, top to bottom. It needs to be washed. And now that the toilet area is clean, I'm moving back to the shower. And to start that, I'm going to remove the dirty towels and washcloths, and I'm actually going to go around each wall and clean up the wall, starting with the glass door before I get down to the floor. So let's whip out that dish wand that had that vinegar dish soap that we made in the beginning, and we're going to scrub this shower door squeaky clean because it's going to take me a second, okay? There's a lot of hard water buildup on here, so this is going to take me a minute, but we're gonna scrub that thing clean, and then we're gonna move to the other corners of the wall and scrubbing and cleaning those till we work down to that flow I was telling y'all about. I am using a scrub brush that I also got from Walmart, and it's working wonders. I don't know what it is about this one, but like the bristles are not too hard, but they're not too soft. It's like the right amount of giveaway to give me a nice, clean, even scrub when it came to cleaning this wall. So I highly recommend this thing. It's just a Walmart brand basic scrub brush, but it's great. And now we come to the floor of the shower. And I told y'all, along these seams, it is bad. So this is your warning, okay? Now I am whipping out that towel grout brush from the cleaning caddy to get up underneath this door frame. And the mildew is nasty, okay? It's making me think that, you know what? I don't think I ever want to walk in shower like this again. Like, it is just too hard to keep clean or clean it the way I want to clean it. There's so many nooks and crannies. So I don't know how I feel about a walk-in shower. And this black stuff along the seams does not help. Now, originally I thought it was waterproof sealant or something along the sorts, but I can't pull it off. It's actually hard. There are pieces that look like it's silicone, like waterproof silicone that is around it, but for the majority, it's not. So I'm wondering if it's just caulking, this is my first home, so I don't know if that's standard for showers, because I do remember when we first moved in, we did have an issue of the sinks not having any type of sealant or anything around them. So whenever you turned on the water, it would just leak down to the bottom of the sinks. So we did have that problem, but I don't think we ever checked the shower and tub. And I don't know what to do. Okay. Like I said, I am a first-time homeowner and I'm definitely still learning. So if you have an idea or any suggestions of what we can do to get rid of this, please comment below because I don't know what to do. I'm gonna keep cleaning it, but that black stuff actually it's I feel like it's all the way deep in there. And I don't know if I need to replace something or whatever. Just, let me know. I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna keep cleaning it. Okay. But anywho, after a lot of scrubbing, I am finally done with the shower and can move on to the floors. Everything is cleaned and dried, so time to reset and restock everything. Then we're gonna get the trash taken care of. Now, hubby came by and picked that up for me, and then my oldest, here she is helping put a new bag in. So after she does this, I'm actually gonna go and throw all my cleaning cloths and the rug in the wash, and we're gonna finish up. And that's it, y'all. The bathrooms are clean and fresh. I mean, look at that before and after the shower door. It is beautiful, and I am so proud of myself. And you should be proud of yourself too, because we did that thing, y'all. Speed cleaning is definitely the way to go. And if you want more content like this, just stick with me. I got you. But before you go, if you could do me a huge favor, hit that like button, subscribe to this channel, or share this video with your friends and family and let them know your girl is back. I love you guys so much. Stay blessed, and I'll see you next Saturday. Bye.